For larger workpieces, stable pickup and transfer are important. This application is completed by the SZGH-B2300-E-4 handling robot. This model supports a maximum payload capacity of 50 kilograms. The standard configuration uses a single suction cup, while this project is customized with dual suction cups according to the customer's product size and handling requirement. The customized dual suction cup design helps pick up larger products more stably during the handling process. The robot transfers the product automatically from one position to another. After transfer, the product is placed smoothly in the required position. For different product sizes, weights, materials, and production layouts, SZGH can provide customized robotic handling solutions. Contact SZGH for customized robotic handling solutions.